Namaste, my dear students. Today I am going to narrate you a story, and the name of the story is Elephant and Friends. One day, an elephant wandered into a forest in search of friends. So, the elephant was finding for his new friends. He saw a monkey on a tree. "Will you be my friend?" asked the elephant. The monkey replied, "You are too big. You cannot swing from one tree to another like me." The elephant was sad. Next, the elephant met a rabbit. He asked him to be his friends. But the rabbit said, "You are too big to play in my burrow, into the hole in which I live." Then the elephant met a frog. The elephant asked, "Will you be my friend?" The frog said, "How can I be? You are too big to leap or jump into the water like me." The elephant was upset. He met a fox next. "Will you be my friend?" he asked the fox. The fox said, "Sorry, sir, you are too big and huge." The next day, this elephant saw all the animals in the forest running like fire. They all were running to save their lives. The elephant saw that all the animals are very scared. So he asked them what the matter was. What happened to all the animals? Why are they running from one place to another? The bear came over there and he replied, "There is a tiger in the forest. He is trying to eat all of us." The elephant wanted to save the other weak animals and went to tiger. The elephant said, "Please, sir, leave my friends alone. Do not eat them." The tiger didn't listen and asked the elephant to mind his own business. Seeing no other way to solve the problem, the elephant kicked the tiger with his feet and scared it away. Then he went back to other animals and told them what happened. On hearing how the elephant saved their lives, the animals agreed to become his friends. "You are just the right size to be our friend," said the animals. So the moral of the story is, friends come in all shapes and sizes. So we should never tease or mock anyone for their shape, color or size. Thank you.